My name is Daniel Yohannes. I'm the Director of Fabrication at Seeqc. Here we have our website. Today I'm representing Seeqc to share with you what we can offer as a provider of fabrication services. This service is complementary to Seeqc's core business, which is development of quantum computing products. Seeqc is a quantum computing company geared to building application-specific quantum systems. The approach we are taking is to make system-on-chip qubit control and readout circuits that are integrated into a qubit circuit within a multi-chip module setup, as you can see in this pictures here. This chip's central to this development effort is a chip fabrication facility. This is because the development inherently requires iteration of chip design and then fabrication and testing and to engineer high fidelity quantum systems. Besides our own needs, the facility has more than enough capacity to process custom chips in a custom fabrication run. And for compatible processes, we aggregate chips into wafer run containing chips with multi-project to help reduce the cost. So Seeqc facility encompasses more than 4,000 square foot of clean room area, and most of the equipment are configured to accept 150 millimeter wafer diameter. About half of the clean room area is dedicated for thin film deposition of metals and dielectric. The photolithography area houses a 5x reduction stepper with a 1/4 micron resolution. And we have in the same room, in the same area, we have a 1x laser writer, which can go up to 0.6 micron feature sizes. We use various gases and plasma configurations to do etching of metal and dielectric. We also have capability to do mechanical transition to add more layers, as well as we have various cleaning and inspection setups for checking fabrication quality. Seeqc has a number of standard modular fabrication processes for making chips of various complexity and applications. The classification is based on the number of superconducting layers, like starting from 1 or 2 to all the way to 9 we've tried at our facility. And then the type of application that we're trying to achieve to give. So it's like either quantum or classical type. So we have delivered chips starting, as I said, from 2 to all the way to 9 superconducting layers. Shown here is like a rendering of our SFQ class U chip with 5 superconducting layers. There's a ground plane, and one under the ground plane we have this high kinetic inductance layer. So this is our own internal releases that we do use. As I mentioned, we also have custom fabrication processes tailored to customer needs, with the only requirement of material being compatible to our processes. In terms of customers, here I summarize the processes and the TRL levels of various products that Seeqc has delivered in the past 2.5 years. At TRL 7, we have 2 prominent products. These are the sensors for cosmic microwave background detectors and a scanning speed microscopy. These are 2 products shown here. These products were delivered to US government and academic and commercial customers. Our internal qubit control are at TRL level 5. This is the one I showed earlier, the rendering. We also have delivered chips to other US government customers that is interested in readout of TES sensors, detectors, that is at TRL level 4. And we have here on list, we have also a number of products that were delivered that are simply, we don't know their TRL levels. But our commercial side customers include Northrop Grumman, millimeter wave systems, Raytheon BBN. From the US government, we have dealt with DOE, LBNL, NASA, Air Force, and some of our academic customers include various universities like University of Connecticut, Cornell, NYU, and UMass Boston, Colgate University, and UC Berkeley, to name some. Last but not least, Seeqc Foundry is available for customers who need fabrication of superconductor, classical, quantum electronic circuits, sensors, and based on compatible materials. And you can reach us at info.seeqc.com, and also you can get more information about the company at seeqc.com, and also we have a foundry, separate website for the foundry, seeqfoundry.com. Thank you.
So although Seeqc is a quantum computing company, it already has a healthy business providing fabrication services to semiconductor, classical, and quantum electronic circuits, sensors, et cetera. So which customer application areas of quantum do you think could most benefit from your services?
Oh yeah, so it's mostly the superconducting based quantum services. So at present, what we're offering as we speak is we can make the ground planes for the quantum, the qubits. So the other part we're still developing, like to make the junctions. But yeah, so we have a solid material list that people can choose from. Yeah, and then yes, yeah.
Okay, great, thank you.